All right, everybody, we need your help. This is a different duck. It's got the same symptoms as the other one from 2 days ago. It's still dealing with that. And we're not quite sure what's going on. As you can see, it's losing control of its legs and can't walk very well. So that's 2 in a matter of days. We're kind of worried that it's some kind of a disease. Let's see if I can get her to come back out. Just irritate her just enough here. So there she is. So I think we're dealing with some kind of disease here. I'm not sure what it is, but we're going to need your help along with our own research to figure it out. So it's really bizarre. I don't know what's going on with that. And this is another young one, right?
Yeah.
So this is another young one. So that's 2 of the newbies. Look at that. It just doesn't have control of its legs at all.
It won't even open.
No. Yeah, it won't even open its foot up, huh? Very bizarre and kind of troublesome. Well, we're gonna scoop her up and probably put her in with the other one. I'm guessing, right?
Yeah.
We'll put her in with the other one. Get some research going. Okay, go ahead and snag her, I guess. Okay.
That's why I wondered if they got.
Let's get a little look at her here. Well,
She's pushing,
is she?
but they won't. Like she can't. Acts like she can't open them.
I'd like to take a look at her back, but I don't think we're dealing with something other than an injury now, huh? It's like their hand or their feet are curling and not opening up, and
Yeah.
their legs aren't working right. Let's take a look at her back real quick.
Are they getting stepped on?
That doesn't hurt. That hurts in there.
I'll bet they're getting stepped on.
Right there.
You think they're stepping on them?
I don't know, maybe go up here. I don't know.
Oh.
Well,
No, you
maybe
don't.
not. It might just be.
I think we should.
I mean, she definitely doesn't like being back here. It's just weird that it's the same result, though, so I think,
And the young ones.
yeah. But that spot must be more tender, because this doesn't affect her until we get back here, and it gets weird. So I don't know. Maybe we will make a call to the vet and see. Might need to see one of them just for our own curiosity to know what's going on here.
Well, I think we do.
Yeah.
Because we've got other young ones.
Well, yeah, we can't have this happen all the time, so.
And if it is.
And did it just happen again?
I just saw it.
I mean, it didn't happen earlier, so I mean,
didn't see
if
it.
they are stepping on her, which could be a possibility, it was right around feeding time. Just yesterday, or the other day, it was right around feeding time. So that's one thing to investigate, along with some kind of a disease going on here. Well, let's go put her in the cage there.
I think they'd be okay.
Well, I think they'll be.
Get them together.
Well, the one in here might actually be happy. Let's see.
I love the feed, so we can put this in.
Okay, let's see. Go ahead and stick her in there with the other one.
There you
Otherwise,
go,
they'll
baby.
keep each other company tonight.
She's gonna peck at her.
I don't know. Oh, they're gonna
Alright.
climb on top of each other there, so. Yeah, bizarre. Anyways, guys, some interesting things going on that aren't real good. If you could help us out, let us know. Spread the word. See if we can figure this out. What's going on with the ducks.